Yeah, the sales. They haven't even. Oh, that's interesting because they didn't ship anything out from their Halloween sale. Do you have a date? Yeah, exactly. Like they haven't shipped stuff from like past sales or and like they're very slow at even in stock stuff. So it's like how do you I don't know how you would I like how I would feel in good conscience of like promoting something like that and like not knowing that they aren't delivering their past sales. Because they also didn't even run a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Right. Yeah, I'm wondering if they asked you to promote promo stuff when they knew they weren't going to run a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale and they weren't going to ship out Halloween stuff or stuff from Halloween. It's like, do you get involved in your vendors community? Like, are you in there? Are you actually in there or are you blindly just promoting stuff? Cause like I knew that Lubed was not delivering on stuff before I even like I was affiliated and I but I did not like hoot and holler about it. Like, yeah, go buy stuff from Lubed, but only if you want to. I'm not like their Lube switches are the best. Ho ho ha ha. Meow 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 meow. Their switches like blah, blah, blah. They're I was did the bare minimum. Tasteful shilling. Tasteful shilling. Yes. Okay. I'm not active with them this year. Well, RX, it's only been, hello, you are cute. Hello, no, you are cute, Tessa. Thank you for the sub, Tessa. For 27 months. Holy shit, that's like 2 years. I've only purchased switches and had one Cerakoting commission from Lubed years ago, says Tokyo, little Tokyo. And both had lengthy shipping times. I ultimately got my items, but it took some time. I haven't bought any sets or boards from them, and it sucks hearing that people continue to have issues getting their stuff. Yeah, I mean, like, just basically, like, congrats on front page soon. Thank you. I need to put up temp mod. Um, I need to put up a temp mod application. I know someone who ordered switches in the early days from them, says PB, and then it also took forever. Back then when they only did switches too. Yeah, like, I knew that they only did switches. And they were having issues just delivering consistent loop job on switches. And that was like a feels bad moment, you know? Oh no, I did this backwards. We don't need temp mods. Avo, you just told me you forgot half the commands. You don't know you forget everything. Yeah, but it's really on me by not checking on them. Yeah, like RX, it's like how I don't know, like how do you promote like someone or a company when you don't keep in touch and you don't check in with like their customer support or like fully understand like what's happening from day to day, especially in a small community. And I'm just surprised at like, the blind shilling that happens in this hobby. Like you get like you riz each other up. You tell you're like, oh, I love your work. Your work is great. Blah 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 blah, blah, blah. And then you're like, you design something together, and then you just shill, blind shilling. And it's like I can tell, like I don't know, I can kind of tell, like you don't talk to the people that are buying products often. Poor Avo, just trying to bagel. I ordered switches from them too, says Dilau. I don't remember how long it took, but it was like a while ago, and I did not like the switch. I don't need to demote. Stop talking about demoting him. I'm just saying that, like, I want more hands on deck for stream, so, like, it doesn't fall all on Avo. I wasn't gonna pay to reship, but my only issue, says Ray the Kid, with Lude was when I ordered one cable and they sent another one for free, quote unquote, and some Switch testers. I emailed their support and they requested I return back my entire order and I said fuck them. Oh, did they accidentally ship you the wrong stuff? I wasn't gonna pay to reship if only they would cover that shipping back, you know? I'll be working 4 p.m. Wednesday, but if you'd like help after that, I can be free by 5 p.m. I'll relearn the necessary commands. Tessa, you don't have to. That's okay. We'll see. I don't know. I'll have to see. Okay. You know, it's just like...